Alright, here we have the laboratory-sized autoclave system. We'll just do a quick walk around first, and then we'll test some of the functions. Here's the front of the control panel. And here's the inside. Up top is the PLC. And then this unit is the control unit for the display on the front panel. And this circuit board back here is the controller for the flow switch for the circulation blower. We have that bypassed right now because we don't have water going to the circulation blower. Here's just more relays and contactors, and down below are the SCRs for the heaters. If we go around to the actual autoclave, this door reveals basically just the circulation blower. And then underneath here, this line and this line, these are the lines for the cooling for the circulation blower. And there's the flow switch for the cooling. So this door here is the door you would open and place your samples in the working area. This little bit of valving here is for the vacuum pump connection. And this valving on the top is for the venting and the pressurizing of the chamber. So here's the pressure valve, and here's the pneumatic operator that operates that valve. And the pneumatic operator is in turn operated by these solenoids here. And here's the operator for the vent valve. And then it vents out of this muffler here. And then back here, there's a manifold and solenoids for the cooling system. So we can just go ahead and operate some of the controls. On the display, we're looking at Overview 2 right now, which is the pressure. So process variable 2 is pressure, and process variable 1 is temperature. So right now there's no pressure in it. It's just saying 5. It needs to be zeroed out a little bit, but we can go ahead and pressurize the chamber. These are actually pull buttons. You pull them to turn them on. So for example, the vacuum pump, there's no pump hooked up, but if you pull this, you can hear the relay click and the indicator light turn on. So to pressurize, you pull the pressurize button, and then you just press the alarm silence button. And you can see the pressure rising. And you can hear it. And then while it's pressurizing, we'll look up here. Here's the over temp controller. And here's the current temperature of the chamber. Here's the amp draw of the heaters, the SCR circuit. So we'll just go ahead and stop filling. And then you vent the pressure with the vent valve. Operates the same way. You pull it and then press the alarm silence. And the pressure's decreasing. And then, so to run the heaters, you have to turn the circulation blower on first. And then we'll check, go to overview 1 here. And then so current temperature is 27 degrees C, and the set point's at 74. So the blower turns on first, and then there's a delay with the heaters. And there goes the main heat contacts. And you can see the SCRs kicking on. And the heaters are pretty powerful, so it heats up really fast. And its first initial heat up, it'll overshoot the temperature a little bit. But if you just let it sit for 20 minutes or so, it stabilizes out and holds it very, very steady. So we were operating the unit in manual mode. Putting it in auto, I'm not quite sure how that system is supposed to work. So we did all this testing in the manual mode. And now the SCRs are regulating.